Hey, today we are in Golf MK7 on the MQB platform, and I'm going to show you how to enable new function on the infotainment screen over here. When you go to car and enter setup, you can choose parking and maneuvering options, and over here we have only the park pilot options and rear traffic alert. We can enable it or disable it, and I'm going to show you how to put a new function over here, and it's going to be the auto hold adjustment. Over here I have the button for auto hold, so I can manually switch it off or on, and the car remembers last state. So if I, for example, need to turn it off to park in a tight space with the DSG transmission, it happens very often, and if I forget to turn it on back again, it will stay off. And next time I will turn on the car. So right now I'm going to connect using OBD11 with the brakes module, which is A3, and we are going to enter long coding, scroll all the way almost to the end of the list. This ABS module is 29 byte, so let's go to the 28th, and over here we have option BAP auto hold. Let's enable it, and when I press and hold on the check mark, you will see what's going to happen on the instrument cluster. I have all kind of warnings, and that's because I'm right now in the diagnostic session of the ABS module. As soon as I quit, everything over here goes back to normal. And if we look on the infotainment screen right now, we have new option, the auto hold. At the start of journey, we want it to be in last status, we want it to be deactivated or activated. So right now, when it's activated, it doesn't matter how I will leave the button. It can be off, and I can switch off the car, and next time I will turn on the engine, it will be back active. Okay, check the description below this video for more details. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.